Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everyone. It is 5:20 a.m. Eastern Time on this 27th day of May 2021. My last video I did last night, the audio for some reason did not pick up any of my audio voice. So, wow, it's early because I am making all sorts of bad language word sentences. Okay, let's just go ahead and take a look at what we've got happening. Yesterday, or the day before rather, we looked at Cardano and specifically the condition of where price was at related to the Kijun Sen. And we did close above it, and we are currently trading above it. The only issue, and that's really bullish. That is a bullish sign. The only thing I have an issue with here is that I'm gonna get rid of that extension. The volume so far is really low. Granted, we've got like more than 12 hours left until this would close, but we're just barely maybe a quarter of what it was yesterday, and not a whole lot of follow through. Additionally, you can see that the RSI has been rejected. It appears so far to have rejected against level 55, and we're not seeing a really strong continuation slope on the composite index. So this is a little worrisome as far as looking at a continued bull move. I have not done a fib retracement of this swing here or this swing here. Yeah, I mean, we are kind of against that 618 from this swing. So yeah, there's a little weakness up ahead here. But if we get a daily close that is above yesterday's high, so if we get a close above 186, that might trigger a continuation move. But remember, looking at the lagging span, as long as things are staying above the candlesticks, as long as it's above the candlesticks, we can remain fairly bullish. The test here is going to be on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Next Monday, we're gonna, really have to anticipate a clear change in direction, up or down. I would expect to see things to continue to consolidate around here. Let's check out the weekly chart. Yeah, we continue. I mean, we're above the Tenkan Sen on the weekly chart, but that doesn't really mean anything yet. The volume, though, look at that. Okay, I mean, we still have most of today. We have Friday, Saturday, Sunday left. The volume is not that big right now. It's really, really tiny. But on the bullish side, we do have a bounce off of 55. Will that last? Who knows? I think we still see some consolidation continue here. Really not looking for a major sign of a continuation move until we actually get a drive above that 0.2. Structurally here on the weekly, it continues to look like we do have a pretty standard impulse wave forming here. If I can find where that tool is at, I can't remember. It is early. Because that could be that really honestly could be the end of our corrective wave. And then we could be seeing this just completing its fifth leg in this impulse wave. And our extension tool, yeah, there's the $5.30 range, $5 range. And that's getting into a pretty high market cap. That's a pretty big zone up there, but that's what you could see happening. Yeah, I don't think that there's much else to look at there. So I think we'll just leave it right there. I just want to take one quick glance at, here's the prior all-time high close was back, I mean, with the exception of what's happened this year, in January of 2018. A 200% rise is at $3 basically. Okay, that makes sense. And then if we get all the way up to here, what are we at? 431. Okay, cool. Well, let's just keep an eye on it and see what happens. Not every week is super duper exciting. Not every week is going to be a fun thing or an exciting thing to wake up to. Sometimes you just have weeks like this where it's a hurry up and wait scenario. From All It's Here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.